can see that my sewing machine is not working properly and needs to be adjusted. You usually have to tighten the spring. I will do this to see what happens. We see that the sewing machine is still not working properly. Now we have to adjust professionally. We understood that the problem is not tension of the thread. Now loosen these screws. Open the main base as well. Clean the place. Open the grooved piece. I use magnets so that the screws don't get loose after opening. Loosen the screws of the drive part. This piece is the heart of your sewing machine. This sharp hook makes your thread knot and sewing is done. The needle should be in this area when going up. This is wrong. This sharp prong must be set in the middle of the needle pit. Change the position of the needle using the turner. Hold the hook with one hand and change the needle position. Note that when the needle was rising, put the tip of the tensile in the safe position. The distance between the needle and the prong should be zero, that is, they should not be. Tighten one of the screws very slightly to gain more control over the adjustment. Now the setting is at its best. Be careful not to press the needle to the tentacle because it will cut the needle. It is wonderful. You can see that the thread does not break, even by fast forward and backward. Thanks for watching. Like me and share the video to your friends.